In an unpredictable world, safety and preparedness are more important than ever. Homeowners are often left vulnerable, without a dedicated space to store essentials or seek shelter in emergencies. Does the thought of natural disasters, power outages, and uncertain times unsettle you? Looking for a reliable way to protect your family and resources without investing in expensive, elaborate underground bunkers? Traditional methods of building cellars or bunkers can be costly and rely heavily on contractors. This process can be daunting, time-consuming, and not specifically tailored for your unique needs. Imagine losing your precious food and water supplies due to inadequate storage during a crisis. Enter Easy Cellar, the innovative guide by Tom Griffith. This comprehensive book provides clear directions on constructing a resilient cellar right in your backyard. You'll benefit from features inspired by military-grade designs, including the Viet Cong's wartime bunkers, combined with the wisdom of traditional root cellars. Easy Cellar empowers you to prepare for any scenario. With detailed instructions, anyone can create a secure space for storage and safety. Save cost. No need for expensive contractors. Our guide makes building a robust cellar affordable and achievable. Rely on expert designs. Leverage time-tested, effective designs that bring together best practices from around the world. Gain independence. Take control of your safety by learning how to construct a multi-purpose underground haven. Don't be caught off guard in the face of adversity. Secure your peace of mind with Easy Cellar. Equip yourself with the knowledge to protect what matters most: your family, your provisions, and your home. Check out Easy Cellar today and turn your backyard into a fortress of reliability.